Embarking on a spiritual awakening journey is a deeply personal and transformative experience. It often requires introspection, self-discovery, and inner growth. While it's valuable to seek guidance and support from spiritual communities or mentors during this time, there are undeniable advantages in spending time alone as well throughout the process of spiritual enlightenment. Spiritual awakening comes through acquiring secret knowledge, or what is referred to as Gnosis. This knowledge reveals the true nature of existence and the divine. In this video, I'll share with you the reasons why solitude can be essential during a spiritual awakening journey, and give you a couple of insights and techniques that have the ability to spark profound personal growth and enlightenment. Self-reflection. Every individual possesses a divine spark or a fragment of the ultimate transcendent divine source. This divine spark is contained within the material world and the physical body. And the primary goal of the spiritual journey is to awaken and reunite with this divine essence. Solitude is one way to achieve this awakening. It provides the perfect environment for self-reflection. When we are alone, free from external distractions and influences, we can turn our attention inward and examine our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs without judgment. This introspective process allows us to gain a deeper understanding of ourselves, our desires, and our purpose in life. It is through self-reflection that we can start to unravel the layers of conditioning and discover our authentic selves. These layers of conditioning are often a result of societal influences, personal experiences, and learned behaviors that shape our beliefs, our identity, and ultimately our experience of reality. They create a veil of illusion that obscures our true selves and separates us from our innate spiritual wisdom. Self-reflection begins with cultivating mindfulness, which is the practice of being fully present and aware in the moment. Mindfulness helps you observe your thoughts, emotions, and reactions without judgment. Questioning your existing beliefs and assumptions during these moments of self-reflection is a great way to do this. Ask yourself why you hold certain beliefs and where they came from. Are they based on personal experiences, cultural norms, or societal expectations? Or do these beliefs feel authentic to you? During a spiritual awakening journey, it's common to question existing beliefs and explore new ones. Solitude provides the freedom to do so without the influence of others' opinions or societal pressures. It allows us to experiment with different spiritual practices, ideologies, and philosophies to find what resonates most with our inner truth. By examining your beliefs, you can begin to discern which ones are in alignment with your true self and which ones are products of conditioning. Connection with the inner self. In the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it can be challenging to connect with our inner selves. However, solitude offers us the opportunity to eliminate external distractions and establish a profound and intimate connection with our true essence that enhances our spiritual awakening journey. By spending time alone, we can explore our spirituality without the need for validation or approval from others. This type of inner connection can lead to a more profound sense of purpose and fulfillment. Spend time in silence, meditation, or contemplation to connect with your inner wisdom, transcend limitations, and join with the higher spiritual realms. Trust your intuition to guide you toward your true divine self. Undisturbed space helps us delve deeper into our spiritual experiences and facilitates a greater connection with the divine. This type of direct personal revelation and insight into the hidden truths of existence go beyond intellectual knowledge and have the ability to incite a transformative, mystical experience that leads to spiritual enlightenment. Emotional healing. Solitude is also a powerful tool for emotional healing, which is something that takes place during the spiritual awakening journey. By being alone, we can confront unresolved emotional wounds, traumas, and fears that may be holding us back in our spiritual journey. This process can be a little challenging, but it's essential for personal growth and spiritual awakening. In solitude, we can process and release these emotions, allowing us to move forward with a lighter heart and a clearer mind. One simple way to offer yourself this type of emotional healing is through specific visualization processes. I will outline one of those processes here for you to do in your own time. If any of you are interested in me creating this process as a meditation, please leave that in a comment so I can add it to my list of videos to create. You'll want to find a comfortable and quiet space where you're not going to be disturbed, and sit in a relaxed position with your spine straight and your hands resting on your lap. During this process, close your eyes and take a few deep, cleansing breaths to center yourself. Remember, you're doing this in your own time, and I'm just giving you the steps here to do that. So I'm going to move along a little more quickly here than you'll probably want to do in your own time. Once you have your eyes closed, imagine a scene of a beautiful garden or a natural setting, something that just feels wonderful to you. This is going to be your sacred space for healing. Visualize a radiant, healing light at the center of your being once you're relaxed in this space. This light will represent your true divine self. So then you'll begin the emotional cleansing by gently acknowledging any emotions that are currently present within you, especially the ones that you're going to want to release. Don't judge or suppress these emotions, just simply observe them. For the emotional release, imagine these emotions as colorful clouds or waves that swirl around within you. And then as you continue to breathe deeply in this process, visualize these emotional clouds or these waves moving towards the center of your being where your divine light resides. As they touch the healing light, watch them transform into pure, radiant energy. You may choose to focus on specific emotional wounds or past traumas that surface for you. From this space, you also want to practice forgiveness, both towards yourself and others involved. This will be a gift that you're giving yourself, releasing the weight of past hurts. Send love and compassion to your past self, recognizing that they did their best given the circumstances. Then with each breath, visualize the release of these emotional wounds, traumas, and negative patterns that have been holding you back. Imagine these burdens leaving your body and feel the sense of relief and liberation as you let them go. You can then ask your inner self, your divine essence, for guidance on your spiritual journey, and trust that you have access to profound wisdom within. Listen quietly for any insights or messages that arise during this time. Unity consciousness. The idea of oneness and unity consciousness is a central theme in many spiritual and philosophical traditions. This concept refers to the profound realization that all of existence is interconnected and that there is a fundamental unity that underlies the diversity of the world. Being alone, paradoxically, can be a powerful way to explore and deepen one's understanding of oneness and unity consciousness. Inner illumination can lead to a state of unity consciousness, where the boundaries between self and other, individual and universal, begin to dissolve. In this state, there is a profound recognition of the interconnectedness and oneness of all existence. The journey toward oneness is a deeply personal and unique experience. It involves a profound shift in consciousness and a reorientation of your perception of reality, which often takes place in a person's times of solitude. Embrace the path with an open heart and an open mind, and allow your own inner wisdom to guide you toward a deeper understanding of oneness and unity consciousness. We are not merely physical beings, but also spiritual beings with a direct connection to the divine or transcendent source. One's spiritual awakening journey is the movement toward higher levels of consciousness. This process, which is a central theme in many spiritual traditions, is unique to each individual and unfolds at its own pace. Self-reliance encourages us to take ownership of our spiritual journey, making conscious choices, and staying committed to our path of awakening to who and what we truly are. Being alone during these times allows for self-reflection, inner connection, and the elimination of external distractions, all of which are essential for deepening one's spirituality. It also provides the freedom to explore beliefs, heal emotional wounds, and take personal accountability for one's spiritual growth. Embracing solitude as a part of your spiritual journey can lead to a more profound understanding of yourself, a stronger connection with the divine, and a path to spiritual enlightenment. Ultimately, the journey within is a journey worth taking, and solitude can be a guiding light on this path.